In this video, we'll walk through setting up BuddyBoss member blogging from start to finish, so your community can create and publish content right from your site. You'll let members write and share blog posts without ever touching the WordPress dashboard, and fine-tune how that content looks and gets discovered. Let's get started. First, let's install and activate the add-on. Start by downloading the plugin. Sign into your BuddyBoss account, go to My Account, Downloads, find Member Blogging, and download the latest zip file. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, install the BuddyBoss member blogging, and click Activate. Next, go to BuddyBoss Settings, scroll down to the BuddyBoss add-on section, find Member Blogging, and toggle the switch to Enabled. Members can now create posts from the front-end interface and manage them under their profile blogs, while you continue managing all posts from the WordPress dashboard. Looking at the blogs page, as you can see without ReadyLaunch styling, the page looks fairly plain. Now let's enable it. Go to BuddyBoss, Settings, Appearance, and open the General tab. Scroll down to the Template Pages section and enable the toggle for blogs. Then let's head back to the front end and refresh the blogs page. With ReadyLaunch enabled, you can see the difference. The page now has clean, modern styling that matches the rest of your community, and that's how you install and activate member blogging. Now, let's customize how your blog content looks and how members interact with it. These settings improve content discovery and make it easier for members to engage. Go to BuddyBoss, Settings, look for Blogs, and click Settings on its card and select Blog Settings. Under Post Settings, you'll find two options. Enable bookmarking to let members save posts for later, and enable category subscriptions so members get notified when new posts publish in the categories they follow. Just note that bookmarking and category subscriptions require a BuddyBoss Pro plan. Under Page Settings, start with social links. Choose which sharing options appear on posts, including Facebook, LinkedIn, X, WhatsApp, and email. Enable related posts to show similar articles at the bottom of each post, helping readers discover more content. And enable the author bio box to display the author's profile info beneath each post, so readers can learn more about who wrote it. Now let's head to the front end and see how these settings look for your members. Let's open a blog post. If you enabled bookmarking, members will see a bookmark option on the post, letting them save it to their profile for later. With category subscriptions enabled, members can follow a category and get notified whenever new posts are published there. Scrolling through the post, you'll see the social links you turned on, the sharing options for Facebook, LinkedIn, X, WhatsApp, and email. Just below that, the author bio box shows the author's profile info so readers can learn more about who wrote it. At the bottom of the post, Related Posts displays similar articles, giving readers an easy way to discover more content. And that's how you configure your blog settings. Your blog is now styled with ReadyLaunch and set up with the features that keep readers engaged and discovering more content. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more BuddyBoss tutorials. Thanks for watching.